Hello, this is Amy up on the Whimsy Stamps channel, and I am here to talk about mixing stamps and patterned paper to make backgrounds. I'm starting off with the adorable Panda Peekers from the February 10th release, and I'm coloring in these adorable little pandas with some warm gray Copic markers. Start off with a W9, and then I move out to a W7, W5, and a W3, and I will continue to blend all over the pandas until I get the shading that I want. I will do this for all of the pandas, and then I will use the coordinating dies to cut out all three of these pandas. These pandas will be the featured image on two cards I will be making. To make these cards, I first die cut a piece of white cardstock and a piece from the Rainbow Magic Paper Pack cardstock using the Slimline Windows die. After inlaying a few of the pieces, now I'm going to work on the other parts of the card. This sentiment is from the Panda Peekers stamp set, but I wanted to add just a little bit more interest. So I used the heart border stamp and added purple and then pink hearts on top of it. For a few of the other pieces, I added the heart border stamp set in green and then in orange to line up with the Rainbow Magic paper. And finally, the speckled stamp is for the smaller squares, and I will now go ahead and add all of these little backgrounds, mixing together the stamps and the patterned paper to make a fun, cute background for our Panda Peekers to peek out of these windows. And they fit absolutely perfectly inside of the slots for the Slimline Windows die. This is a really adorable set, and I love the sentiment, sending huge bear hugs. This really is a hug in a card. For the second project I have, I'm using parts that I have left over. So on the piece of white paper that I cut out of the Slimline Windows die, I am now piecing in the leftover pieces from the Rainbow Magic. I'm adding in the sentiment, "You're so loved," from the Panda Peekers set. And for the one square that I have left over, I will stamp that square in orange ink using the heart border stamp. I will add a die cut heart to finish off this second card. I absolutely love it when I get two cards for one out of the same pieces. And this again is another really great fun card to send someone to let them know that they are so loved. Let me know if you like making 2-for cards, and thank you so much for joining us. I hope you have a wonderful day.